Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Agro Inspiration. Um, Today I'll be teaching you, but this is the next step on when you have already planted your pineapple. I teach you, if you go on my page, you'll be seeing other videos that I've been doing on how to do your pineapple and how to grow your pineapple, how to cultivate your pineapple. So today I'll be teaching you the next step. So after every month, you are seeing this stage when I show you in my last video, I show you as how to move suckers and come and plant. I show you as how to plant, and I show you the first step as how they put the first manure. So as it's like this, because normally pineapple take 1 year, like 1 year, 2 months, 3 months. When you are feeding him very well, as you can see, the farm is very green, very fresh and very healthy. So follow and subscribe, like for more, so that you will always be seeing. And don't always forget to click on the notice board so that at any time that you load a new video, you always have the detail of it. If you want to invest in pineapple, because pineapple, why am I really prescribing on pineapple? Pineapple is very good. As you want to invest in pineapple, if you want to like increase your investment, agriculture of pineapple is very good. Like you can increase, like you people can see, guys, you can see this farm that I told you that we are enlightening this farm to one of our customers that buy us the sucker. So we're showing how the process. So at this step, at this level, you have to put your potash. I show you in my last video. I show as how they spray potash. So like this is every month you have to be giving potash. Every month you have to be giving potash. Every month, potash and urea. If you go behind my videos, you'll see as how I was showing as how I was spraying the pineapple. So in my next video, I will teach you as how to spray it, because you have to also spray iron and other treatment. But from this level, as you already seen, as it's very green, you have to throw the next manure, because after 3 months, you throw your manure to enrich him so that the fruit should be natural. Your fruit should be natural and it should be having very good shape. So after every 3 months, you throw your manure, your natural manure, who is from fowl store, So that's the best manure and it's natural. And the one is very powerful to like change the ground. People can see this is a different. You see as how here is only black is the stool manure of chicken like this. The stool of fowl like this. This is it. People can see that it's only changing this ground like this. That's what it helps to do. It helps to enrich the ground too. Because fertilizer is not too much advisable. Fertilizer is just to make the plant, keep on the plant healthy and just fresh. But the good one to enrich the soil is fowl stool. Note that one is fowl stool. If you want to like invest in agriculture and you're looking the best way one to start your agriculture is fowl stool. So this is the next step. After your 3 months, you will have to scatter your manure again. When you scatter your manure and finish, you have to be spraying it every month up to so follow for more. Next week I'll be showing you the next step on how to put the manure and how to put the manure on his body. Okay, please. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Agro Inspiration. Okay, today we'll be teaching you as the when you are already seeing your fruit, when you're already seeing your fruit, like one in the farm like this one, you're already seeing fruit. This is another one that's already producing there, and you're already seeing fruit, one fruit inside the farm, and this is another one here. You're already seeing one fruit inside the farm. Means that the farm is already matured, preparing to already start to give. It's already ready to already start giving the next fruit. So when you reach at this stage, what you have to activate it so that it should increase in size will be super grow. Super grow is a product used to increase the size of plant, make it should be very well long. So in the next video, I'll be showing you the product and how to spray it. They spray it very early in the morning. Mostly this engrais forêt them they mostly spray in the morning. So make sure to always spray engrais forêt early in the morning or late in the evening around like those time of 4 or 6 like this, so that sun should not touch engrais forêt. When you see any product cost that is called engrais forêt, don't then spray it in the afternoon. And these are the challenges that you can face in your pineapple. This grass, but there's a medicine to spray your grass in your pineapple farm. In my next video, always click on the notice board and always like and subscribe for more videos. And always click on the notice board so that in any video that will be moving, you will always be seeing as how to follow by step in this agriculture of pineapple. So when you already see your fruit them that already giving one by one like this in the farm, means that your farm is already mature. Then the next thing that you apply in the farm is formulan. Formulan is a product that you apply so that the whole farm should just give at the time, because it's not good when your farm give one. It's not good. So follow for more. Thank you.